Welcome.
Hello.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Alright, so what we're doing is the day in the life of an NRVTA graduate. So we're following people around, and what we'd like you to do is to carry this camera around with you. So go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Well, I'm Ulema Seacrest.
I'm Jason Seacrest.
For now on, you are going to be known as Ryan.
Ryan.
Alright, so basically what you're going to do is you're just going to take the camera. It's going to be unscripted. You're going to walk around, talk to other students. The only editing I'm going to do is for time, otherwise it'll be 2 hours long. And yeah, try to just grab the essence of what is happening here, and then how your experience is. And every day, if you could, just do a little testimonial in the morning and the evenings, and just let us know how things are going. You good for that?
I think we can do that.
We can do that.
Very good.
All
Well,
right.
look forward to it. And here you go.
Here we go, entering into the schoolhouse. Look how beautiful. So this is the front entrance. That is quite awesome. The design that they have in this schoolhouse is so amazing. All right, here we go.
I think we're about to get started.
We're gonna get started. So we just came and we sat down at our table. You get to pick your spot, and it's kind of cool all the different things you get. You get your little name tag and your little thing about all the different flyers and I guess things that we're gonna talk about. Oh boy, we gotta be good students. We'll be right back.
Wonderful team. Without them, we would be nothing, okay? The talent that's here is amazing.
How many people have a Facebook account? How many people love Facebook? Well, here's the thing. If you're starting a business, you're going to need to learn to love Facebook. And if you need help understanding why, come see me. I'm going to be floating around.
Mr. Todd Henson. I'll just go ahead and say, just because he's my son-in-law doesn't mean anything, y'all. He's just good, okay? He's just good. We are very proud to have him on our team.
All right, everyone, just shout, wave and smile, act like you like being here. Here's our next class right here.
Woohoo!
If you haven't figured it out yet, your being here is no accident. If you look back at what's taken place in the last week, 2 weeks, the last month, some of the obstacles that you've had to overcome to be here is no accident.
Hello. So, oh my goodness, we just finished kind of like the welcome and the introductions of really the vision of this big red schoolhouse and the NRVIA
IA and NRVTA
National RV
Training Academy.
Yes. Okay. But it's just amazing hearing all the different stories and the visions and how everything got started here. And wow, I'm just taken away by the passion and
Cooper's story, Anderson's story, how they all came together. It's very heartwarming, moving as a loud truck goes by.
And yeah, just all the people, all the teams that it takes to have all of this happen, to give us this opportunity to, to build, I think it kind of ignited a little bit, at least for me personally, just that extra, push, and just ignited that way of, Jason and I have always just wanted to be servant leaders and just serve people, and wow, that is definitely here.
That's what they're all about here, and it's pretty amazing. We're on a quick break right now. We got to get back in because the actual school is getting ready to start, where we start actually learning stuff.
Yay! So exciting. So just wanted to tell you that because I think we got to go.
Yes.
Let's try to simplify it for everyone, right? This is how electrons work. We only want one thing, right? To go home. So electricity is really not that hard if we understand these concepts.
Hey everyone, we are here doing the voltmeter testing for polarity. So when we read these things, it's almost like a riddle. So here we go, testing the 30 amp. All right, red lead in left slot, black lead in right slot.
Are we still filming?
Yes.
There we go. 123.8.
Yay. So
Close
we
enough to
passed that one.
124.
There we go. All right. Let's see. Recap of day 1 was what? What do you think?
A lot of information. Yeah, just a lot of information.
Yeah, so it was a lot of information. So our brains were a little overwhelmed, but you know, it's okay. The instructors are great. They're very patient because I think a majority of the students, yes, we own RVs, but I think one thing we're learning is that we don't know as much. Would you agree?
Well, and a lot of it yesterday for day 1 was all about electricity and like in-depth electricity that I never knew about. So
Yeah.
I got the basics of it, you know, but it was diving a little deep, and so I think that was what was overwhelming for me. So this is the cafeteria.
This is where you come and get the goodies.
Yes.
The yummies, the snacks. They got some frozen food, coffee, snacks. So
And you never know, you may see Mr. Cooper.
Hey guys, are they going to join us for the lunch and learn?
Yes, they will.
Excellent,
there you
excellent.
go.
I've got to run upstairs real quick.
All right.
What's really cool is we start going to rallies. We find like-minded people, whatnot. We go do those things. How many actually like going to rallies? Oh, that's just it's not a true diagram. Well, some of them, each brand is different. One's up here, one's down there.
We're still saying it's a lot of information.
It's starting to click a little bit more and more, but yeah.
Yeah. But, you know,
It's fun, it's well worth it. We're learning, and I think by the end of it, we'll be pretty good.
yeah. I mean, we're not discouraged by any means.
Not at all.
They keep telling you, they're staying real positive. It's okay if you don't get it right now. By day 3, by day 4, you know, everything will start to click. So we're okay. We're not like beating ourselves up about it. Just trying to take it easy, be calm, and you know, eventually it would all come together. So, you know, and you've got lab days. So on day 1, day 2, you do labs. So that means they break you out into groups, usually a group of 10. We're the green team. Woo! And you get to try out the tools that, you know, they ask you to have for the class, and the teachers, assistants that are there with them are really helpful. They really walk you through it. Everyone is so patient and whatnot. And then today,
Oh yeah, we had homework.
we had homework. So it's like literally going back to school.
Yeah, except we were, you know, working on all the electrical systems, not working on them, but testing all the electrical systems, trying to find out the watts and the voltage and amps.
And
So,
yeah.
yeah, we are halfway through, I think, still.
Yep.
I don't know if we're going to get it all, but we're trying.
And that's what we're going to be working off of. And what I want you to do, you're going to get 3 readings. You've got on Norcold, they have 2 heating elements. Dometic has 1. Water heating element, yeah, is 10. 9.
Is it AC?
And those are things
AC,
you can pick up
yep.
as you go.
Go ahead and touch this post. Just poke it or, yeah. So will it, you got DC?
Yep.
Okay, 0, stop. Now, go ahead and touch. We know what we're thinking we're gonna see. Somewhere near there.
So what do you think so far of day 2?
Well, it's great that there's no line for the bathroom because there's about 10 ladies and 70 guys, so they're the ones waiting in line this time.
Yes.
But the information is fantastic. I love that we get to see the inside of all these large appliances and get to see the components and test them and take them apart, learn how to use the multimeters. The math is a little hard, but we can do it.
Yes.
But great setup, great campground. People are very friendly, so it's very nice.
Today is day 3, Wednesday. Yesterday was kind of continuation of electrical, and it's still not it hasn't clicked for me 100% yet. How about you, babe?
Not 100%.
Yeah. But we'll get it. We'll just keep practicing. Today I think it's going to be propane. And we'll just see. We'll see how it goes.
Oh, okay. So it's just.
Yeah, these are like the same, almost like the ones that you got in the house, and where these just slide on and off.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually kind of weird how simple it is to take it apart.
So the cool thing about what we're doing right now, it's the propane leak test procedure. And it's awesome because it's on your clipboard, so you will have it with you all the time if you're doing this as a technician or inspector. So, way to go.
Ooh, today is Thursday, day number 4 of fundamentals. Wanted to say good morning. Feeling really good about today. And the whole week has been real fun, real informative. Todd's a great teacher. Cooper, Anderson, all the people that help out. It's a really good community. It's a family.
If you think it's, I mean, use your brains too. If you think it's going to be something that would be a deal breaker for you, I'd go ahead and call them.
Everything you let go, I think I got it.
There is no positive and negative when you're checking polarity, or when you're checking continuity. So we are on our lunch break.
Yes.
And we're just having a little snack here.
Which is great because we get an hour and a half of a lunch break. So that's pretty nice that they kind of give you that little bit of extra time, you know, for the courses for the week that we're here. So I like that. Say good morning. It is Friday. Yay. Also forgot to mention on Fridays, actually for the first Tuesday through Wednesday, we go through financial type classes where for those of us that want to do business out of the RV technician or inspection, we get to come in here early at 7 in the morning to learn all those things, and it's taught by Steve Anderson.
What we have now proven over a number of years is that our methodologies work, and we are teaching hundreds and hundreds of people RVIA. That's a new word you're going to have to learn this week.
And he's been giving us such great information. So that is what we're going to be doing now. Here we go. These are the future business RV technicians and inspectors. So it's Friday and we just finished the pre-test. And everybody's waiting to get their results back. How did we think we did, everyone? Yeah, fantastic. Some people got their results back. Yes. Everybody's so quiet.
We didn't get the shirt and black.
Yeah. So as you can see, everyone's a little probably on nerves or maybe happy, not happy, but we're gonna get them all back, get a chance to review them, and then that way we can be ready and prepared for Saturday.
We're running late this morning.
Today is Saturday. Yep.
This is exam day.
Exam day.
So yeah, we're gonna take the exam. We're gonna pass it.
Yes.
And become registered technicians.
Correct.
Yes. But
yes.
First things first. This morning we're gonna go do a review, I guess.
Yep. They're gonna treat us to some breakfast. It's some famous Texan.
Oh, the kolaches. Kolaches. Ooh.
Kolaches.
Oh, I didn't know we were doing that.
Yes. Oh. I have never had it, I don't think. So we'll be in for a treat.
Yes.
And then we will review. Last chance to absorb all things. And then lunch, right? They're gonna serve us lunch.
Yeah.
And then Shalaskis, which is so good. And then exam day.
Oh, God.
How do y'all feel after the pre-test test? You think you did good? Yeah? Feel all right?
Did great.
I'm a little nervous. I don't know. We'll see. How about you guys? Yeah. Okay.
I'll tell you afterwards.
Yeah. So I just finished taking the pre-test test. There's a few more people still taking it. I'm not sure how well I did. I don't think I did too great, but we'll see. We'll review it, and then I'll know where I stand. Wish me luck. So how did it feel after the pre-test test?
So. There were a couple things I had to really think about, more so than before, but we will see. We will find out here shortly. It's a this.
Congrats.
Martin Day.
This is Martin. Martin, how's it been so far? What is this, day 3?
Day 3.
Fundamentals.
Yep. No, it's been fantastic. It's been a great week. I mean, a lot of information, a lot of information. But the way it's been taught, the way we've been learning it, really, it's sinking in. I took the at-home course.
Okay.
So I got the, the at-home course, all the materials, spent a lot of time with that. I was glad I did that.
Yeah.
I mean, that, with as much information as we're getting now, I can, the at-home course and then coming here and being able to do the hands-on, it's really been fantastic because, you can really apply the things that you learned at home to what you're seeing in terms of just using your multimeter or, getting your hands on the appliances and then just learning from Todd and all the other TAs. It's just been fantastic.
Ed Planas.
Congrats, sir.
Eduardo.
I was looking for it.
All right, hello everyone. I am here with another fellow graduate. We're just already claiming that we will graduate and pass. So his name is Ed, and I just asked him, we're on day 2, and just want to say, hey, Ed, what do you think so far?
So day 2's been very enlightening. I didn't expect the kind of training that I'm getting so far. It's a refresher for me. I've been in the automotive industry for over 30 years, so it's an eye-opener, it's refreshing, and also if I didn't know what was going on, this course definitely is putting me on the right path.
Jason Seacrest.
Thank you, sir.
And Yulima Seacrest.
Okay, don't worry about the hat. It's all right.
Oh, got the hat. Got the hat. Yay!
Ronald Shaw.
Oh my goodness, everyone. Well, we did it.
We did it.
And we are now registered RV technicians. We passed our exam. And such a relief.
On to inspections.
On to inspections we go, yes. But all of these people that you've seen behind us have all worked so hard, studied, and just made some connections as well too. It's been awesome. So it's really great to see all of them as well grab their registered certified certificate. A lot of these students will also be going either towards technician or inspection. So here's the future NRVTA.